And BJP MP Sanghamitra Maurya put her own party in a spot, praising it for granting power to states for a caste-based census. So far, there is no enumeration of pollution caste-wise. The bill passed in Lok Sabha yesterday only allows states to draw up OBC lists. My colleague Akhilesh Sharma reports.
हर राज्यों में जानवरों तक की गिनती हुई कि किस राज्य में, किस जिले में कितने जानवर हैं, किसकी बहुतायत संख्या है, लेकिन बैकवर्डों की गिनती कहीं पर नहीं की गई। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो जात आधारित जनगणना राज्यों को हक देने का काम किया है, आने वाले समय में निसंदेह हम सिर्फ चुनावों के दौर में ही नहीं, बल्कि जिस तरह मोदी सरकार में 27 ओबीसी के मंत्री शामिल हुए हैं, इस तरह ओबीसी अपने हक और अधिकार के लिए लड़ेगा।
It seems that the BJP MP was not properly briefed, and because she did not know what was this bill all about. Though she was the lead speaker of the party, because she comes from Uttar Pradesh, her father Swami Prasad Maurya, who switched over from BSP to the BJP a few years ago, right now is a minister in the Yogi cabinet, and he's also a powerful OBC leader. So maybe this was the reason why she was fielded as the lead speaker by the BJP in the Lok Sabha on this crucial OBC bill. But the way she spoke about saying that this bill will empower the states to do caste-based census is absolutely incorrect, because this bill was just to give the states power to add OBC caste in the list. And this was not about the OBC caste census. But of course, it's a tricky question for the BJP, because we know that how Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has been trying to push the BJP for a caste-based census. In fact, a JDU delegation had come to meet the Prime Minister, but the Prime Minister did not meet the delegation, and the delegation was sent to meet the Home Minister Amit Shah. And they have raised this demand repeatedly, though the BJP is not saying anything officially. And that is why Sanghamitra Maurya's statement yesterday in Lok Sabha is, of course, is troublesome for the BJP, because the party is facing it's a tough question, it's a tough choice, because the BJP in the past had said that it will go for SECC, that means socially and educationally caste-based census, but so far there is no commitment or no statement by the BJP in this regard.